I'm preparing to hand feed Truman. I already got some hot water ready and exact baby powder. I'm going to be setting up a baby formula mix to feed him since he's not eating his pellets on his own right now. I'm by no means an expert on hand feeding, so please don't take my suggestions for feeding baby birds. I'm just showing what I'm doing with Truman, but if you're looking for advice about hand feeding, please contact a breeder and do your own research. Here's my thermometer. The critical thing is to get this to be 110 degrees. Any more than that, he can burn his crop, but any colder, and he's not going to want to eat it, so I got to make sure it's nice and warm, but not too hot. Sure, it's time to take your medication. Alright, here's your second one. Just waiting for this formula to cool down a few more degrees until it's ready for Truman to eat it. Alright, the formula's just cool enough now, so I'm going to get in my syringe and get it ready to feed it to Truman. Okay, turn this way. Big baby. See how much you ate. All right, Truman, good night.